Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a nail video as promised. I'm going to show you guys how I got this milky white acrylic set. If you want to see a video on how I made this milky white acrylic, then please leave a comment down below. So I'm starting out by applying the acrylic to all the fingers except the ring finger. That's going to be my glitter nail. Now the way that I made this acrylic, it really wasn't the consistency that I wanted to be. It came out looking great, but it just wasn't the consistency that I wanted. So I think I'm gonna end up remaking this milky white acrylic. But if you still want the video on how I made this one, then comment down below. I might just put up both videos. I also want to say sorry about the quality of the video. I'm still trying to figure out my camera, so I'm sorry about that. Just bear with me, I'll figure it out. And if you're wondering about the clear acrylic that I'm using, this is just from my local beauty supply store. I will end up buying the Mia Secrets kit, but as of right now I'm just going to use this up because this is what I've been using for the past couple years. I just want to put this disclaimer out there. In no way am I a licensed nail technician. I just like to do my own nails and occasionally other people's nails. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am not a one ball method type girl. I mean, it takes me a couple tries to get my acrylic laid down exactly how I want to. Also, my brush is not that large anyway, so I can't pick up that much acrylic at once, but this method works for me. Now, because the milky white acrylic that I made has clear acrylic in it, I did not cap my white nails. Also, I did not state this, but in the beginning, I did put down a thin clear layer of acrylic to each of my nails so that when I go back, I can file down this design and I still have my base. So I'm coming in with this glitter and my clear acrylic, and I'm applying this to both of my ring fingers, and then I'm going to cap them as well. For the sake of the video, I did not put in me filing and shaping the nails, but I'm coming in with my clear gel top coat and I'm applying that to all of my nails. And then I'm going to come in on both my middle fingers and I'm going to apply rhinestones around the cuticle area and then cure both hands for 60 seconds each.